Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door cable in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/16" nut driver, a 5/8 open-ended wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door cable. The door cable connects the door spring to the door hinge. If the door falls down when opened, the door cables should be checked and replaced if needed. Open the door. Take out the two Phillips screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shower valve just in case the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Pull the dishwasher out. First, memorize on what notch the spring is hanged and then pull it off. If the old cable is still there, remove it from the spring and from the hinge. Pull the old door cable out. This is the old door cable next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the new door cable under the roller. Hook it on the hinge. Hook it up on the short end of the spring and hang the spring on the third, in our case, notch. See if the door opens and closes normally. Push the dishwasher under the counter and secure to the countertop with the two Phillips screws. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shower valve and tighten it using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.